We're going to do 1 hour's worth of lesson, and after an hour goes by, so what time would that be if an hour goes by? It's 8:30 right now. 9:30, yes. We're going to go over our math learning goal first. Today, I will extend and create a repeating pattern and identify the unit.
Today I will extend and create a repeating pattern and identify the unit.
Any unfamiliar words? Mr. Aaron, what word are you not familiar with?
Repeating.
Repeating? Okay. So repeating. Who else? Mr. Jaron.
Identify.
Identify. Arliss. Sound it out.
Extend.
Extend. Very good. Any more words? Emma.
Create.
Create. Okay. Anybody else? Okay, so let's go over our vocabulary words, or some of the words in our learning goal that we're not familiar with. Extend. When you extend something, you not break apart. You stretch it. So if I have these connecting cubes, how am I going to extend these connecting cubes? Take it apart. I want to make it longer.
You can add more cubes.
I have to add more. I need to extend this a little bit more. What do I need to do? Add some more. So you're just adding. When you extend something, you're adding things to it. Okay? So we'll talk about what's going to be extending today. So extending, creating. When you create something, what do? You make it, you build it. So today we're going to build, we're going to make, we're going to create something. Repeating. What does repeating mean? A pattern?
Like if you add a hexagon, then rhombus, hexagon, rhombus, it keeps repeating.
Oh, okay. So like Rosalind said, you do it over and over and over. You're absolutely right. So who raised their hand for repeating? Who was unfamiliar? Erin, do you know what repeating means now? Okay. So you're familiar with repeating. Explain in your own words what it means. What did Emma and Rosalind say? When something repeats, what do?
Do you repeat something?
How? Like repeat something for me. Give me an example. So I say minions. What do?
Sit still.
Okay, that means sit still. Yeah, you're right. But for you to repeat it, if I say minions, what do you say? Boys and girls, what should Aaron say? If I say minions, what does he say?
Minions.
If I say eagles, what's Aaron going to say?
Eagles.
So you're repeating. You say what Miss Toya says, okay? We're going to do a little bit more of that, a lot more of the repeating pattern, okay? Here we have identify. That's been up here quite a few times. Let's talk to our brain. Identify. When you identify something, what does that mean? Talk in your groups. What do you think identify means? Ready, go.
Try to find out what a question is, like how, like the answer for the question. Okay.
Minions. Who would like to share what identify means? Start with Jamie.
You're thinking or trying to find out what the answer is for a question.
Okay, that's a good way to explain it. You're trying to figure out what the answer is. You're trying to identify what the answer is. You're on the right track. Emma, you want to add to that? What do you think identify means?
Like you reveal something?
When you what?
Reveal something?
When you reveal something. Yeah, you figure out that's what it is. When you point at it, you identify it. When you identify something, boys and girls, that means you see it and you point at it and you say, yes, that's what it is. Like say, for instance, look around the classroom. I want you to identify something that you see that's a repeating pattern. What do you see in the classroom? Look around. Look around. What do you see? What do you identify as something that has something repeating, like a color or a number or a letter? What is repeating? What do you see around the classroom? What do you identify? Emma, what do you identify?
Like those flowers over there, the colors are like blue, yellow, blue, yellow, blue, yellow, blue, yellow, and the other one is red, pink, red, pink, red, pink, red, pink.
Bingo! You guys see what Emma saw? She identified a pattern, 2 patterns in those flowers that they made for Miss Claudia and I. So one of them has a pink, red, pink, red pattern, and the other one has what kind of pattern? So she just identified that. She saw it, she picked it out, she pointed it out. Who sees another one? Shelby, do you see another pattern?
Up there, there's black on the first part, and there's red on all of the papers.
So you mean our word wall?
No, the equation.
Oh, you mean our strategies?
Yeah.
What about it? What kind of pattern do you see?
Black, 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 and red.
Oh, okay. So, in the equation. Oh, wow, Shelby, you guys see that? She sees that the first number and the second number are black, and the answer is red. Is that the same thing over here? Yes. Our addend plus addend equals, what color is a sum?
Red.
Yeah, good job, Shelby. I didn't even notice that. I see something else. I see a couple other things that have a pattern. You guys see that? The number line? What numbers are what colors? What 2 colors are up there? Yes. Look on the same wall over here. There's another thing that's up here that has a pattern, color pattern. Okay, Alicia. The word wall. What do you notice about the word wall?
It's going by a pattern.
What's the pattern? Tell me what the pattern is.
Pink, blue, and then the green and the yellow.
What's after the green?
Orange, and then the yellow.
Yellow. Is that same pattern repeating? Yes. Let's check. So it's pink, blue, green, orange, yellow. Again. Pink, blue, green, orange, yellow. The next one? Pink, blue, green, orange, yellow. Again?
Pink, blue, green, orange, yellow.
Wow, Miss Claudia did an awesome job with repeating those same colors in that exact order. That's what we're going to be looking at today. One more. Emma.
On the number line, when she said that the green and yellow, then I remember that 1 is odd and 2 is even. It's going odd, even, odd, even, odd, even.
Oh my gosh. Did you guys just hear Emma Lewis? She said not only did she see the color, but what are all the green colors, boys and girls?
Odd.
Odd. How do you know it's odd?
Because they're not. They all don't have partners.
Yes. So let's look at at the number 5. What color is 5?
Green.
Green. Is 5 odd or even?
Odd.
Show me on your fingers that it's an odd number. Oh, Aaron's showing me. These two have partners. These two have partners. Oh, we have a lonesome finger over here. Yeah, that's fine. So we know 5 is odd, right? Because it doesn't have a what? Partner. So let's go back. So what color are all the evens again? Yellow. So show me on your fingers. How do you know 8 is an even number? Okay, because 8 goes by 2s. And they all have partners. And some of you are going like this. Look, you're putting your 4. You have 4 here and 4 here. And you're putting them together with a partner. Ooh, do we all have partners?
Yes.
Yes, we do. Good job, Emma. So now, with that, minions, today we're going to be looking at we're going to create a cube train. What? A choo-choo train? We're going to have a train coming through our classroom? Going choo-choo? No. We're going to create a train using our Unifix cubes, okay? So first, I'm going to get a red. Then I'm going to connect it with a, what? Blue. So if this is how I'm going to start my pattern, what do you think comes next?
Red.
How do you know? Why?
Because it's going by pattern. Because it started with red.
Oh, okay. Because it started with red, then I put a blue. So now you're saying I should add a red, right?
Yes.
Okay. Am I done?
No. You need a blue.
I need a blue. Why could this not be my pattern?
Because it's very little.
It's very little. Plus,
It only has one blue.
it only has one blue. It has to be what?
Two.
It has to be 2 and 2. It has to be even. So here's my next one. Now, is that
Yes.
is it complete? Could I add another one?
Yes.
Yes, I could. I could definitely add another one. How's that? Am I done?
No.
Why?
You need another blue because there's 3 reds and only
Then
2
I gotta
blues.
keep going and keep going and keep going.
That's
I'm
how the
gonna-
pattern goes.
Oh, that's what patterns do?
They keep going and going and going and going.
They never stop. What if we run out of connecting cubes? But would that be the same pattern if I start using different ones? Then I would have to create a different kind of pattern, right?
Or
Once I
you
run
could-
out of colors.
If you run out of the same colors, then that means your pattern is done.
Okay, so once we run out of colors, we're done. Now I'm going to identify another thing with my pattern. I'm going to do something. Watch closely. There's that. There's that. What do I have, boys and girls? I have 2s. Each one of these has a name for them. It's on our learning goal. It starts with the letter U.
Unit.
This is a unit. So anytime we're doing a pattern, the unit is what the 2 colors or 3 colors or 4 colors consist of. So here's my question. Look up on our word wall. What is the unit? On our word wall, what does the unit, what do the colors, the unit consist of? Talk in your groups. Ready, go.
Each one of the words, each one of it. The unit means that the color of the unit means that the A's have all the letter A's, all the words that start with A, and that's the color what they wanted to put for all the words that start with A.
Who would like to share with Miss Toya what the unit in our word wall is. Okay, Eagles, what did you guys discuss? What's the unit?
That the letters A, B, C, D, E, F, G, all those letters at the top of the color papers, that those are the units of the color papers.
Okay, so my question is, are the letters the unit or are the colors the unit? The colors are the unit. So let's go back and look at our unit for our word wall. What's the first unit? Call the colors. Ready, go.
Pink, blue, green, orange, yellow.
Yes, that's the unit. Because it's that color that repeats itself over and over. So now let's look at our number line. What's the unit? What are the two colors in the unit?
The colors are going
Yeah, green and yellow. You are absolutely right. Because that pattern consists of those two colors, just like this one. So here's what we're going to do next. So I drew up here on the board our train, right? Here's our train, and I'm going to do something to it. What does it say at the top, first of all?
Repeating patterns.
We're repeating patterns today. So this is my 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. So that's what I created over here. 6 and 8. Do they look the same? Let's make sure.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
What's another way we could count these more efficiently?
Two.
By twos. Ready, go.
2, 4, 6, 8.
Good job. So now let's look at the numbers, boys and girls. Look at the numbers that are written up here on the top. What do you notice about those numbers? What do you notice? Tell your brain. What do you notice about the 1, the 2, and look at what the number is associated with. Which color is each number associated with? Now talk in your groups. What do you notice? Ready, go.
Color green on the 1 is odd, and the color yellow on the number 2 is even. So on the repeating patterns chart, the red on the bottom of 1 means odd, and the blue on the bottom of the 2 means even. I think that the red ones that are odder than the blue ones that are even. The 8 with blue is even.
The red ones are odd, and which ones are even?
The blue ones.
The blues? Is there anything else you guys noticed?
Pattern.
What's the pattern?
Red, blue, red, blue, red, blue.
Yep. So what would the next color be?
Red.
Red.
The 2s, the blue, the 2s, we know because the 2s are even and the 1s are odd.
Okay, so you mean the ones? I only see 1 right here. You mean the reds?
reds.
Okay, the reds are odd and the blues are even. Good job. Okay, minions. I need your eyes, ears, knees. Okay, I heard some really good discussions going around as I was walking around, and I want you to tell me what you notice. I'm going to pull a stick, and the lucky number for today is 9. Who's number 9? Okay, Mylin, tell us nice and loud. What did you and your group notice about the numbers?
I noticed that the color of the red, like Like they're odd for the numbers, and the color of blue are the even for the numbers.
Oh, so Mylan said they noticed that all the reds are, they associate with the what kind of number? What kind of number are these? Odd numbers. And all the blues are associated with the even numbers. So most of you said that. We're going to add another thing to our pattern. We're going to add a body movement pattern. What in the world is a body movement? First of all, our body. We're going to make a pattern with our body. Body movement pattern. So what I'm going to do is, since I have I have I have two different colors. So I'm going to make a clap for my red and a snap for my red, a clap for my blue. So we're going to make a pattern going snap, clap, snap, clap, snap, clap, snap, clap. So the snap is for which color again? The red. And the clap is for which color again? Let's all do it together all the way up to 8. Ready, go. 1, 8. There you go. Good job. Could we come up with a different kind of body movement? Some of you, it was hard to snap. I'm sorry. I gave you something so challenging. Let's do clap, lap. Okay? Ready, go. Clap, lap, clap, lap, clap, lap, clap, lap. What if I did this? Clap, lap, stomp, stomp. Does that fit our pattern? No. Clap, slap, pump, slomp, stomp, stomp.
If there was it has to be 3 different colors to do those 3 different movements.
Oh, so you're saying if I wanted to add something else beside if I went clap, lap, stomp, stomp, I need to add something, another color to my pattern.
One more color.
Okay. You know what? I'm going to give you guys that opportunity to do that. Each one of your groups is going to get this paper. You have a blank train up here. There's your train, but it's blank. You guys are going to fill it out. First of all, number ones. So are all the number ones here? Okay, we're missing a number 1 over here. So you guys will talk about what your numbers are going to be. Oh, okay. So we'll give you number 3. You're 3. Okay? I didn't switch the numbers. So number ones will build the cube train using what? What's that?
3 colors. Yellow, blue, green.
So are we still repeating the same pattern Ms. Toya made? Are you creating a different one? Yes, you are. Number 2s. You will color each cube with the colors of the cube train. So once number 1 makes the train, number 2, you're going to get your pencil box and you're going to get your colored pencils out and you're going to color in the cubes. And I'm going to give you 10 minutes to do this. So we got to work quick as a group. Okay? Then number 3s, you will label each cube by numbering them. Remember what Ms. Toya did at the top? 1, 2, 3. And do you start with 1 again? What do you do for the next one? 4.
5, 6.
So you're going to extend, you're going to write the numbers up on top. Then in your groups, you're going to discuss and record. What does it mean to record? Write it down. First, you're going to what? You're going to talk. You're going to discuss what you notice about the list of numbers. So when you put the numbers on top, what do you notice? The same thing we did with our pattern, with the red and the blue pattern. You're going to discuss in your group, hey, what do you see? Which number goes with this color? This number goes with this color. Oh, this is doing this and this. So you're going to first discuss it, then you're going to write it down. Okay? Number 5, what color comes next? So then you're going to get your pencil. This comes next. Then this comes next. Oh, and then whatever comes next, you can extend it. Extend it one more unit. You're going to extend it 1 unit. Number 6, create a body movement pattern to go with your cube train. So all of you have to come up with the team consensus. What does team consensus mean again? All of you in your group have to agree on that body movement. Emma can't say, no, I want to snap, clap, stomp. And then Jaren says, no, I want to tap, clap, stomp. So you all have to agree on one. And make sure you guys practice because you're going to come up here and you're going to present. Okay? Any questions for your group work? Ms. Toya is going to be coming around, and if you get stuck, if you have a question, what do? Raise your hand and I will come around. So no questions? Okay. Okay, boys and girls, while number 1 is making the train, what could number 2 be doing? You can be coloring it in. Save us some time. Number 1, start making your train. Number 2, start coloring. Unfreeze, please.
Have fun.
No, you have to add 3 more, remember?
Yeah, that's what I did. There. Yeah, you're using light green and light blue too.
You colored the yellow on the first box. Blue on the second.
Color quickly, boys and girls, so we can get to the discussion. Ooh, I hit that. Hey, color on. Good work. Good job. So you have your first unit. That's called, what's this called again? Unit. So what's going to be what's your next unit going to consist of? Show me the next unit.
The same color?
Okay, so go ahead and connect that. So you need yellow. What comes next? Blue. And then, so how many units do you have so far right there?
6.
6 units? Remember when I was doing mine? Here's my train. I said, this is a unit, this is a unit, this is a unit, and this is a unit. Whatever my color pattern is, that's my unit. So where's your first unit at? These 2?
Yeah.
But your colors consist of 1, 2. You have a blue, a yellow,
Blue, green.
So this right here, this is your first unit. This is your second unit. Now add another unit. What colors would be your third unit? Okay. So now, how many units do you have so far?
3.
3. Show me the 3. Awesome, Blossom. Give me high five and knuckles. Good job, Shelby. You got it. So Leland, you'll be the recorder, okay? So all of you look at your cubes. What do you notice about the number 1, the 2, the 3? Do you see any kind of pattern, or what do you notice?
All even, all even, all even.
Okay, so you mean odd, even, odd, even, odd, even. Yes, you're right. What do you see with the colors? What kind of pattern do you see with the colors? Do you notice anything about the numbers that are associated with the colors?
There's 2 yellows and 2 blues and 2 greens.
Good job. You said there's 2 yellows, 2 blues, and 2 greens. Jamie, do you see anything with the numbers and the colors?
The colors are
What do you notice about the colors?
they're all like in a pattern. They're going the same color, like how they were in the first, and like the first one like yellow, blue, green, then it repeats itself again.
Okay, so what do we call this one again?
A unit.
What do you call it?
A unit.
A unit. So how many units do we have right now?
2.
2 units. Can you extend the pattern with another unit? How would that look?
It would look like right there.
Oh,
One
go
right
there.
there. A yellow, and here would go green. Here would go yellow, blue, then green.
Oh, so it'd be another yellow, blue, and a green. So look at the numbers. Let's go back to the numbers. I'm really wanting to know about what you notice with the numbers.
About 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Yeah, it's counting by ones. You're right.
And this 3 is double.
Say that again, Jamie.
The 3 is double with the 6, and the units are like equal. They're just double, and that makes 6.
Oh, so you're saying that this first unit is 3 and this next unit is 6? So what color is the 3?
The green.
And what color is the 6?
Green.
So if we had a number 6 right here, a color green, what number would go there?
It's 12.
9? How did you figure out 9 right away, Vincent?
Because if you have 6, if you have because 3 times 3 equals 9.
3 times 3 equals 9. That's a good way of putting it.
6 equals 9.
So, what are we doing right here? 3, 6,
9. We're counting by 3s.
We're skip counting by 3.
This one's skipping by 2s. 2, 4, 6.
So go ahead and write that down right here. We noticed that the greens are skip counting by what?
3s.
By 3s. Okay, go ahead, recorder. And don't, after he writes that, you 3 start discussing what kind of pattern, body pattern movement you're going to make. Okay? Gotta agree. Gotta come to a team consensus.
By 3s. And what body and what body motion we're gonna do. We know what color to put for 9. Next, how do you know 1 unit?
So what number would go on the next green?
9.
How do you know that right away?
Because you had to jump 3 and it goes 9. And it's 9 because that's how you count by 3s.
Oh, so you skip count it by 3s. So let's try it.
3, 6, 9.
Oh, awesome. So that's another thing that you guys notice. So go ahead and write here that we noticed that the green skip counts by
6.
By 6. Go ahead and write it down. And then come up with the body movement. Boys and girls, everyone, come up with your body movement. 1 minute. Ready, go.
What's this one? After the green, yellow, and then blue, and the green.
Because we split this part and then this part, so it's 3, 3, 3, and then because it goes 3, 6, 9, and then 1,
3, 6, 9, and then so we split apart. It goes 3, 6, 9.
so there's 3.
3, 6, 9, 3, 6, 9.
So because she said, look at the yellow,
And then there's 3 yellows,
because
3
this
blues,
part and then
there, and
Not getting anywhere.
then
Not getting anywhere.
then yellow, then blue, and 3 green.
no, because
It's going by 3.
we already put it right here. We know because
The pattern
the pattern
is repeating again.
Okay, come up with your body movement. Okay, minions. Waiting for my minions. Ooh, I like the way the dragons got into minion position right away. Dragons and Red Sox. Good job, boys and girls. Okay, so now I want someone to bring me their paper, and I want you guys, as a group, you're going to discuss what you guys talked about, what you noticed about the numbers, what you noticed about the colors, anything that you guys noticed or figured out. I want you to come up and I want you to tell me. So let's start with the dragons. Sorry, dragons. So let's see what the dragons wrote down. So that they colored their trains correctly? Yes. Did they color their train correctly? Yes. Do we see a yellow and then a blue and then a green? Yes. Okay. So, Jamie, tell us what you wrote right there on number 4. Nice and loud.
We wrote that, and we noticed that the greens are skip counting by the number 3s.
Did some of you guys figure that out?
We did.
Raise your hand if you didn't. Say, that is news to me. Okay? Put your hands down. Look at that. They said this green is a 3. The next green is a 6. So what would the next green be? 9. So the green color is skip counting by
3.
Earlier, when Miss Toya made her train, what were we skip counting by?
2.
We were skip counting by 2s. Which color was skip counting by 2s? The blue. And what was the the red color counting by?
1.
By the odd numbers, right? Okay? So awesome blossom. 3, 6. And then if we were to draw, we were to extend the pattern. What color is this?
Yellow.
What color is this?
Green.
Oh, blue. And this one is?
Green.
There's your green. And what number is this?
9.
If I extended it one more time over here, what's going to be my next green?
12.
How did you figure that out right away, Aaron? Why 12?
Because
How do you know 12 right away?
Because it skipped counting by 3s.
So you know how to automatically skip count by 3s. Let's skip count by 3s up to 15. Ready, go.
3, 6, 9.
9, 12, 15.
Good job. We're getting better at that. Remember when we first started, we said 3, 6, 9. Now you're getting automatic, just like our 2s, right? What else is automatic to us for skip counting? 5s, 10s, and now our 3s. And we're going to get better and better at all the numbers. Okay? Good job. So stand right here in the front and show us your pattern, your body movement pattern. Ready, go. Awesome. Did you see that? One more time. Wow. Give them a round of applause. Okay, bows and curtsies. I would like for the dolphins to come present.
I wrote that I know because 3.
Read number 4.
Oh, discuss and record what do you notice about the list of number.
Okay, now read your answer.
We notice about the greens are going by 3s.
So it's skip counting
By 3s.
by 3s. How did you guys notice that? How did you guys figure it out? Who was the one to notice that in your group? Was it any one of you in particular, or you just all said, oh, look at the greens? Was it a group thing? So what would the next color be?
Yellow.
Yellow. How do you know yellow? Why yellow?
Because the pattern goes by yellow, blue, green, and yellow. Then it goes and it goes back to yellow and blue, green.
Okay, I have a question. I'm going to give them a challenging question. How many units do you have up there? Let me refresh your memory. Earlier when Miss Toya made her color cubes, this was 1 unit. And I connected another unit, another unit, another unit. How many units do you have up there? 3? You think 3? Why do you say 3? So are you counting like this? 1, 2, 3? So you're saying that the yellow blue is 1 unit? That's your unit? Oh, but then look, you have your green yellow and then your blue green. Isn't the unit supposed to be the same?
Yes.
So which colors, which same colors are repeating?
Blue, green, blue, green.
Blue, green, blue, green? Well, what about the yellow? Boys and girls, does the unit only consist of 2 colors?
No.
3. It can consist of how many? 3. So how many colors does our unit consist of up there? How many colors? How many colors do we have? What different colors do we have? Look up there. Let's count.
1, 2, 3.
Isn't that 3 different colors? Is this a different color?
No.
Is it the same? What about this one?
Yes.
What about this one?
Yes.
So this right here, boys and girls, this is your unit. So how many units do we have up there?
3.
You said 2 and you said 3. Why do you say 3? Come point to the 3 units. Which one are the 3? So you're just looking at that one color as your unit. Now you point at the units. You said 2 units. Where are the 2 units? Oh, so look at that, Arliss. This whole thing is a unit. This whole thing is a unit. 1 unit, 2 units. What if I add 3 more right here? This is yellow, this is blue, and this is green. Boys and girls, how many units do we have now?
3.
How many?
3.
3 units. Good job. Now show us your body movement pattern. Dapat front, kupa. Stand in a line so we can all see you. Okay, ready, go. You guys didn't come up with one? It's okay. Go ahead and show us. Ready, go. Ready, go. Ready, go. Looks like they didn't come up with one. Bows and curtsies. Go ahead and have a seat. That's the best part of doing this. Who came up with the body movement? Okay, Eagles. Bring your paper.
We noticed that it's going from high, lower, bottom, but then it's going from beginning, middle, end, with 2 yellows, then 2 blues, then 2 greens.
So I had to ask Emma what she meant by that. So come point over here. Come show us what she meant, what you meant by that. So I was asking her.
Because, you had it, the 2 yellows, 2 blues, and then the 2 greens.
Did you guys see that? She said the yellows are at the beginning, the blues are in the middle, and the greens are at the end. So if we took these two, what are these called again? Units. If we took these 2 units apart, which colors are at the beginning? Everybody? Which colors are at the beginning? Everybody, which colors are at the beginning?
Yellow.
Which ones are at the end?
Green.
Which ones are in the middle?
Blue.
Blue. So that's how they noticed the pattern. Did you guys notice that these were skip counting by 3s? No? Okay. So what color comes next?
Yellow.
Yellow. So we have this, and then we will connect another yellow. Okay, show us your body movement. Ready? Go. Ready? Go. Okay, why don't you huddle and discuss it real quick. Go ahead and huddle. Okay, we have to agree. Come on, boys and girls. Okay, go ahead and show us. Ready, go. We got 2, but we need 3. We have a pattern of 3. Okay, one more time. Ready, go. Oh, so I see the knees. So it goes clap, lap, and then bend. Again, ready, go. Clap, lap, bend. Awesome. Okay, bows and curtsies. Good job. We were a little embarrassed about stuff. Bending. Yeah, you guys were confident. Good job. Okay, I'm going to get one more group. Let me have the Seahawks. So we have our pattern and we extended it. Here it says you guys didn't notice anything about the numbers. You guys didn't write anything, but you want to discuss it? What did you guys notice about the numbers?
The green was counted by 3s.
Okay, so you guys did notice that it was skip counting by 3s. Oh, they even extended it up to 9. So everyone count.
3, 6, 9.
What will be the next one? 12.
15.
And then 15. Then 18. Then 21. Man, you guys are getting good at this. Okay, is there anything else you guys noticed? Or is that it?
That's it.
Okay, let's see your body movement. Ready? Ready, go. Keep going. Do 3 units. Ready, go. That's 1 unit. Keep going. That's 2 units. One more. Ready, go. Thank you. Bows and curtsies. Okay, if I say I wanted 3 units of your body movement, how many times are you going to repeat your movement? 3 times. If I said I want 4 units, how many times are you going to repeat? 4 times. What if I said I want 10 units? You'd be standing up here forever. Okay, so let's go back to our learning goal. Let's see if we learned what we said we were going to learn. Today, I will extend and create a repeating pattern and identify the unit. So I want you to tell your brain, did you extend and create a pattern? And were you able to identify? That means, oh, right there, that's the unit. There's the unit. That's the unit. Tell your brain. So thumbs up if you think that we accomplished our learning goal. Thumbs down. Nope, we didn't accomplish it. Part of it, but we could do a little bit more work. Let me see your thumbs. All right, I see most thumbs up. Awesome blossom. So let me see if we accomplished that. Put your thumbs down. So right here, how many units do we have up here?
8.
How many units? Listen to the question. How many units do we have up here? Tell your brain, tell your brain. Every group is gonna popcorn out. How many units? Ready, go.
4.
Awesome blossom. It is 4. Is it this 4 right here? That's the unit?
No.
Is this 4 right here? These 4 right here the unit?
Yeah.
This whole 4, this to this? All of these?
Yeah. No.
Is that what you're talking about?
No.
All of them?
No. Only 2.
Only 2 of them,
Because
right?
there's 2 colors.
This is 1 unit. This is another. This is another. This is another. 1 unit.
2 units, 3 units, 4 units.
Okay. In your groups, you're going to tell me. In your groups, you're going to tell me how many units do we have right here. Talk in your groups. Ready, go.
The yellow, blue, green, that's 1 unit. Then the next one's yellow, blue, green, that's another unit. Then yellow, blue, green, that's another unit. So there's 3 units.
Okay.
How do you know it's 3 units?
Because we have 2 units right now. And if at 3 more,
If we extend, right?
3 more,
Get out your colors. To extend.
it will.
Can you show me your last unit with your cubes? Now, do you agree you guys have 3 units?
Yes.
Okay, minions. Right, I like the way everyone got into active listening position right away. Okay, so I asked you how many units I have in this pattern. And you're going to popcorn out. Ready, go.
3.
Awesome. Everybody got it. Woo-hoo. Blossom. So are we able to identify all the units? Is this my unit right here, just this yellow?
No.
Oh, the yellow and the blue?
No.
The yellow and the blue and the green?
No. Yes.
Let me do that again. Is my yellow my unit?
No.
Is my yellow and blue my unit?
No.
Are my yellow, blue, and green my unit?
Yes.
Okay. 1 unit.
2 units.
2 units.
3 units.
What if I made one more extension?
That'd be
1 more unit.
4 units.
It'll be 4 units. What would, and how many cubes would that be? 3, 6, 9, 12. Good job. Tell your partner, shake hands, high five, say awesome Blossom.
Awesome.
High five and knuckles.